Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the topic of pH meter from chapter number 6. The instrument which is used to measure the exact pH of the solution is called pH meter. When the electrodes of the pH meter is dipped in the solution, the reading of its pH appears on the digital display of the pH meter. Our next topic is indicators. An indicator is a substance that show different colors in acidic and basic solution. Some common indicators are phenolphthalein, methyl orange, litmus, turmeric, China rose and red cabbage. Majority of the acids and bases are colorless. It is not possible to identify them by their appearance. In order to identify them, whether a substance is an acid or an alkaline, indicators are used. Now we are going to discuss indicators and their color in acidic and basic solutions. The indicator litmus, its original color is violet and it gives red color in acidic solutions and blue color in basic solutions. Phenolphthalein, its original color is colorless and it remains colorless in acidic solutions, but it turns pink in basic solutions. Methyl orange, its original color is orange and it turns red in acidic solutions and yellow in basic solutions. We are going to perform activity that indicate the behavior of different indicators like red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, methyl orange, phenolphthalein in acidic and basic solutions. These are the acidic and basic solution. First I am going to perform the behavior of red indicators in both the solutions. Now I am going to dip the red indicator in acidic solution. You can see that there is no color change, it remains red as such. But when I put the red litmus paper in basic solution, sodium hydroxide, it has turned blue, indicating that this is the basic or alkaline solution. Now I am going to dip the blue litmus in acidic solution. It has turned red, you can see. But when I will dip the blue litmus solution in basic solution, there will be no change in color, it will remain blue as such. This shows that red litmus paper turned blue in basic solution and blue litmus paper turned red in acidic solution. I am going to perform the test with phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, its original color is colorless, but when I put it in acidic solution, there is no color change, it remains colorless. But when I put it in basic solution, it will change pink. You can see there is change in color. This change in color indicates that it is a basic or alkaline solution. I am going to put methyl orange solution in acidic solution and it will turn red. As soon as I will pour it a few drops of methyl orange in sodium hydroxide, it will turn yellow. Students, you can see that in acidic solution methyl orange turned red and in basic solution it has turned yellow. You can easily differentiate both these colors. We will perform activity 6.8 to show the colors of indicator in acidic and basic solutions. Students, we are going to perform activity that will show the action of red or blue litmus in soap solution. This is soap solution. This is tap water. This is household bleach. This is dilute hydrochloric acid, and this is dilute sodium hydroxide solution. As you can see that all these are colorless solutions, and by their appearance we cannot identify whether they are acidic, basic or neutral in nature. We can come to know whether it is acidic solution or basic solution by putting red or blue litmus paper in them. First of all, I am going to put blue litmus paper in all the solutions, and we will see the change in color in that they cause to the blue litmus. This is blue litmus paper, and I have dipped it in sodium hydroxide. There is no change in color because it is a basic, indicating that this is a basic solution. Now I am going to dip blue litmus paper in hydrochloric acid. It has turned red, indicating that this is a acidic solution. In the household bleach, I am going to dip blue litmus. You can see that there is no change in color, indicating that it is basic in nature. Now I have dipped the blue litmus paper in basic soap solution. Again, there is no change in color. It remains blue. This is tap water, and when I put blue litmus paper in the tap water, it remains blue. Now I am going to dip red litmus paper in the bleach. You can see that it has turned blue, indicating that it is basic in nature. It is a basic solution. Red litmus paper dipped in soap solution, turn red litmus blue, indicating that soap solution is basic in nature. This is tap water. I am going to dip red litmus paper in tap water. There is no change in color. Tap water show no change in color with the red litmus paper and blue litmus paper, indicating that it is neither acidic nor basic in nature. It is a neutral solution. Now I am going to dip red litmus solution in sodium hydroxide. It has turned red litmus paper blue, indicating its basic nature. And when I put red litmus in acidic solution, there is no change in color, indicating that this is a acidic solution. Natural indicators. These are the indicators that occur naturally. They are red cabbage, turmeric, China rose, and litmus. Now we are going to perform an activity to prepare the turmeric paper. But I have prepared the paste of turmeric by adding small amount of warm water in turmeric. This is the paste of turmeric. Now, and this is filter paper. I am going to dip it in the paste of turmeric so that the paste stick to all the filter paper like this. Now I will put it on the side. When it will dry, I will remove extra turmeric from this filter paper. Now it is ready to use as an indicator. If we put the turmeric paper in acidic solution, it will remain yellow, and in neutral solution it will remain yellow, but it will turn brown in alkaline solution. The natural indicator red cabbage can be prepared by putting some chopped red cabbage in hot water for some time. And after some time we have to filter the solution. This filtered solution can be used as an indicator. And if we put this red cabbage indicator in acidic solution, it turns red. And if we put it in basic solution, it turns green. Neutral solutions do not change the color of the red cabbage indicator.